Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to secure your WHM and cPanel to make sure that hackers are having a hard time in breaking in. So as you can see, this is the main WHM screen, and we're going to begin with the most basic setting and probably one of the most powerful one. And we're going to go to cphulk brute force protection, and we're going to quickly set these values. So brute force protection period, let's just say 100 minutes. Maximum failures by count 2. So what this means, if somebody will mistype a password or username twice, then they will be blocked for 100 minutes. This is quite useful because most of the hackers are using automated bots. They're trying to guess the password and the username probably millions of times. And this one will limit their ability to do that, because every time they mistype something twice, they'll be blocked for 100 minutes. Let's just do it the same way here as well. Let's do 100 minutes and twice. 1 day blocks. Let's say if somebody fails, let's say 3 attempts per day, then they're going to be blocked for a whole day. So they can only do it after 24 hours. Let's just do notifications as well. Send a notification. So whenever somebody logs in as a root admin, then you will get an email, and you will also get an email when somebody tries to guess the password many times, when somebody gets locked out. So let's just save this setting. Now we can move on to the other tab at the top. Just scroll up, whitelist management. So these are the IPs that are whitelisted currently. Blacklist management. This section here, you can block any IP address, and then they will not be able to log in via FTP, via cPanel, SSH. All of these logins are going to be blocked to the server. Countries management. Now this is one of the most powerful things you can do, because what you probably want to do is block every country except the country you live in. So let's just do select all, and then we're gonna blacklist all the countries. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna Command F and search for United Kingdom. Okay, that's where I am. Actually, let's just do something else. I think I left them ticked. Tick, untick the United Kingdom. And then I'm gonna whitelist this, and then Romania as well, because there's somebody who needs this whitelisted. Okay, so anyone from Romania to and United Kingdom will be able to log in here. However, any other country will be unable to even try to log in, to even try to guess a password, because they will be instantly blocked. So these countries have no chance of even trying to log in into the server. One thing to note is this protection does not apply to the front end. So this doesn't mean, let's say, as you can see, United States is blocked, right? United States is blocked here, is blacklisted. It doesn't mean that Google, for example, from California won't be able to visit your website. It just means that anyone who tries to log in by FTP, by WHM, cPanel, or any other backend backend system, they will not be able to log in from the United States. They will still have access to the front end, to your websites, right? So just to make that clear. And now we're done with cphawk. Just to show you something interesting. As you can see, there's many failed attempts. So the server has been attacked intensively in the past few hours, right? From China, especially from China, from India. I think we had some from the US as well. So now that I've blacklisted these countries, they will not be able to even try to log in. So happy days. And now another important setting that we have to do is, unless you're using it intensively, you should definitely disable shell access. So shell, manage shell access, and then it's already disabled. So as a default, these are enabled, but you should definitely disable them, because this, again, hackers are trying, once you set up the server, in some way, hackers are going to try to log in via shell to gain shell access to your server. And if anyone will have shell access to your server, then they can take over all the server. They have like root access. It's the most powerful access to a server. So disable this. If you want to do something via shell, via the command line from your PC, just simply re-enable it, and then you can disable it after you finished. This is something that you must do if you want to make sure that you kind of block out. Probably 99% of the hackers are trying to log in via shell. Okay, so these are the main settings that you must do if you have a WHM and cPanel account. And I hope this was helpful, and have a nice weekend, and probably see you soon.